How to write CV for study abroad applications step by step. Writing a CV, curriculum vitae, for study abroad applications is essential to showcase your qualifications, skills, and experiences to the admissions committees. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create an effective CV for your study abroad application. Contact information. At the top of your CV, include your full name, phone number, email address, and current address. Make sure your contact information is up to date and professional. Objective or personal statement. Write a brief and compelling objective or personal statement that explains your motivation for studying abroad, your academic goals, and what you hope to achieve during your program. Keep it concise, around 2-3 sentences. Education. List your educational background in reverse chronological order, starting with your most recent degree or diploma. Include the following details for each institution. Name of the institution. Degree or diploma earned. Major or field of study. Graduation date, or expected graduation date. Academic achievements. Highlight any academic honors, awards, scholarships, or relevant coursework that demonstrates your academic excellence. Work experience. Include any work or internship experience that is relevant to your field of study or the program you are applying to. For each position, provide the following information. Job title. Company or organization name. Dates of employment. Key responsibilities and achievements. Research experience, if applicable. If you have conducted research, mention it along with details about your role, the research topic, and any publications or presentations resulting from your work. Extracurricular activities. List any extracurricular activities, clubs, or organizations you have been involved in. Emphasize leadership roles or significant contributions you made. Language skills. Specify your proficiency level in any languages, especially if you are studying in a country where the primary language is different from your native language. Technical skills. Mention any technical or computer skills relevant to your field of study or program, such as software proficiency or laboratory techniques. Volunteer and community involvement. Highlight any volunteer work or community service experiences that showcase your commitment to making a positive impact. Hobbies and interests. Briefly mention your hobbies and interests to provide a well-rounded view of yourself. This section can help demonstrate your personality and character. References. Optionally, you can include a section for references or state that they are available upon request. Be sure to ask for permission from your references before listing their names. Formatting and style. Keep your CV clean, organized, and easy to read. Use a consistent font and format, and make sure there are no spelling or grammatical errors. Avoid using jargon that may not be familiar to international admission committees. Tailor your CV. Customize your CV for each study abroad program you apply to. Highlight experiences and skills that are most relevant to the specific program's requirements. Proofread. Carefully proofread your CV to eliminate any mistakes and ensure it presents you in the best possible light. Remember that the goal of your CV is to make a strong impression on the admissions committee and demonstrate why you are a strong candidate for the study abroad program. It should be concise, well organized, and focused on your qualifications and aspirations. Thanks for watching.